Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we hear words like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, ChatGPT, LLMs, and generative AI almost every day. Many people think these are all the same thing. Some say ChatGPT is AI, others say no, it's machine learning. Some call it generative AI. So, what exactly is the difference? By the end of this video, you will understand all these terms in the simplest possible way, even if you have absolutely no technical background. Let's begin with a simple example. Before understanding artificial intelligence, let's understand intelligence. Imagine a child sees a dog for the first time. Someone tells him, "This is a dog." The next time he sees another dog, he recognizes it. Why? Because he learned from experience. That ability to learn, understand, and make decisions is called intelligence. Humans have natural intelligence. When we try to give similar abilities to machines, we call it artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the science of making machines behave intelligently. Think of AI as a very big umbrella. Under this umbrella come many technologies. Examples of AI: Google Maps suggesting routes, voice assistants like Siri face, recognition in phones, self-driving cars, chess playing computers. Let's take a simple example. Imagine a traffic signal. A normal traffic signal changes every 60 seconds. An AI traffic signal counts vehicles and changes timing based on traffic. The AI signal appears intelligent because it is making decisions. That is artificial intelligence. Simple definition: artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Let's imagine you want a computer to identify cats. One way is to write rules. Rule 1: cats have 2 ears. Rule 2: cats have whiskers. Rule 3: cats have 4 legs. Very soon you realize something. There are thousands of variations. Some cats are black, some white, some fat, some small. Writing rules becomes impossible, so scientists developed machine learning. Instead of writing rules, they show thousands of cat pictures. The computer learns patterns on its own. This is machine learning. Example: suppose you receive hundreds of emails, some are spam, some are genuine. Instead of manually creating thousands of rules, machine learning studies old emails and learns how to identify spam automatically. Machine learning is a method where computers learn from data instead of being explicitly programmed. You already use machine learning daily when YouTube recommends videos, when Netflix suggests movies, when Amazon recommends products, when your bank detects unusual transactions, when Google predicts what you're about to type. All these systems learn from data. That is machine learning. Now let's go one step further. Suppose we want a computer to recognize faces. This is much harder. The computer must identify eyes, nose, mouth, facial shape, expressions, lighting conditions. Traditional machine learning struggles with highly complex tasks, so scientists created deep learning. Deep learning uses structures inspired by the human brain called neural networks. Imagine many layers of decision making. Layer 1 identifies edges, Layer 2 identifies shapes, Layer 3 identifies eyes, Layer 4 identifies faces. The deeper the layers, the deeper the learning, hence the name deep learning. Face unlock in smartphones, speech recognition, medical image analysis, self-driving vehicles are some real-life examples. Deep learning is a powerful form of machine learning that uses multi-layer neural networks to learn complex patterns. Now let's understand the hierarchy of all forms of AI. Think of it like Russian dolls. The biggest doll is AI. Inside AI is machine learning. Inside machine learning is deep learning. Inside deep learning are large language models. Inside large language models comes generative AI. So remember this: not all AI is machine learning, not all machine learning is deep learning, but all deep learning belongs to machine learning. Now we come to the technology behind ChatGPT. Imagine reading millions of books, millions of websites, millions of articles, millions of conversations. After reading all of this, you become extremely good at understanding language. This is what an LLM does. LLM stands for Large Language Model. Large, huge amount of data. Language, human language. Model, mathematical system that learns patterns. An LLM predicts what words should come next. For example, the capital of India is, the model predicts, New Delhi. Not because it memorized every sentence, but because it learned language patterns. Examples of LLMs, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. These models can answer questions, summarize documents, translate languages, write articles, explain concepts. So, large language model is an AI system trained on massive amounts of text to understand and generate human language. Now comes the most popular term today, generative AI. The word generate means create. Traditional AI mostly predicts or classifies. Generative AI creates something new. For example, you ask, write a leave application. Generative AI creates one. You ask, create a painting of a tiger riding a bicycle. Generative AI creates it. You ask, write Python code for a calculator. Generative AI writes the code. You ask, create a presentation on cybersecurity. Generative AI generates it. Content created by Gen AI, text, images, music, video, speech, computer code. For example, text generation by ChatGPT, image generation by Midjourney, and video generation by Sora. All are Gen AIs. Generative AI is artificial intelligence that creates new content based on what it has learned. Let's use a school example. Suppose a teacher has 1,000 answer sheets. Simple AI can decide whether the answer sheet belongs to class 10 or class 12. Machine learning can learn from previous answer sheets and predicts marks. Deep learning can read handwritten answers. LLM can understand the meaning of written answers. Generative AI can generate a summary report for the teacher. See how each technology builds on the previous one? AI is already everywhere, in hospitals, in schools, in banks, in defense, in government services, in transportation, in customer support, in cybersecurity, in social media. The future workforce will not be replaced by AI, but people who know how to use AI effectively may outperform those who don't. Just as computers became necessary in the 1990s, AI literacy is becoming essential today. If you understood this video, you now know more about AI than most people who casually use the term every day. If this explanation helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.